Every organization wants to harness the power of AI. But without a solid data foundation, you are building on quicksand. Poor data quality, algorithm bias, and shifting regulations can quickly turn innovation into massive corporate risk. Master the frameworks to scale AI responsibly. Welcome to the Data Strategy, Governance and Ethics for AI Professionals certificate program at the London School of Business, UK. This elite, non-technical executive course equips you to treat data as a strategic asset, clear up governance roles, and mitigate reputational risks from day one. Study your way. Choose from flexible self-paced online, live online, or immersive on-campus sessions here in London. Join us today or visit our website lsbuk.com for more information.